Every year we go to North Carolina. In fact, I've come up to North Carolina ever since I was a small kid. And Franklin, North Carolina is a really nice town. I really love it. It's in Macon County, North Carolina. Population just over 4,000 people. When I was a kid, we hiked part of the Appalachian Trail when I was in the Boy Scouts, and it was a lot of fun. This is the gateway to the Great Smoky Mountains and the Appalachian Trail. It's also called the gem capital of the world, and it has a big Cherokee influence. About 1,000 years ago, this was a mound for the Cherokee Indians. There's so much to do downtown. They got so many cool shops. My wife could spend days and days here antiquing. Really good restaurants, really wonderful mom and pop style restaurants, which are great. They give you that home cook feel. If you ever get up to Franklin, do it like we did and enjoy the waterfalls, enjoy the rivers, and hike on the trails. There's so much to do up here, and we love to come up here in the summer. I believe late August is the best time of year to get up here. Thanks for taking a quick look at one of my favorite places.
Leave a comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. And I'm about to do something in 3, 2, 1.